Okay, hey guys, welcome to today's Building Bridges class. The teachers are going to be me, Estelle, and Jeffy.
Okay. Your homework last week was what's your favorite part of Chinese New Year and why? Let's see. Barry, can you tell us what your favorite part of Chinese New Year is?
Maybe my favorite part of Chinese New Year is uh, fireworks because I think it is funny.
Oh my God, fireworks. That's real, actually. Benny, can you tell us your favorite part of Chinese New Year?
My favorite part of Chinese New Year is lighting up fireworks.
Okay, same thing as Harry. That's fine. Um, Marin, what about you?
My favorite part of Chinese New Year is watch the TV with my family.
Watching TV with your family? Okay. Vince, what about you?
My favorite part is have the New Year's Eve dinner and watch the Spring Festival Gala. I think there is many interesting programs on this in this gala.
Okay. David.
I think we play fireworks and it's very interesting. But now there are many places banned doing this.
Many places ban setting off fireworks. That's sad. I think my favorite part of Chinese New Year is getting the money. Okay, we can do it, but
Today's conversation is what is your favorite subject in school and why? So, I think for me, my favorite subject in school, that's a hard one. Maybe English because English is a pretty fun class. We read a lot of books and learn lots of English. Okay. Harry, what's your favorite subject in school?
Math is my favorite subject in school because I think math is interesting.
That's really nice. I really like math class too. All the numbers coming together are so cool. Marin, what's your favorite class?
My favorite class is football because I like sports very much.
Oh, wow. You have a class just for football?
Yeah,
Oh, I see. So, all you do in that class is football?
yes.
Oh, nice. I see. Well, that sounds very nice, Marin. Thanks for sharing. Okay, Jenny, what's your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject is art.
Oh, art. That's really nice. So, I think Jeffy also likes art, right? Wait, what kind of art do you like to do?
Draw pictures.
Oh, draw pictures. Nice, nice. Thanks for sharing, Jenny. So, Vince, what's your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject in school is politics because I can know what's going on in this world.
Oh, I also have to take a politics class right now. I'm taking US government and politics. So yeah, it's really interesting to learn how everything works. And David, what's your favorite subject in school and why?
My favorite subject in school was science. Is science because it's interesting and we got a very good, a lot of very good models.
Oh, nice. What kind of models do you have?
We have seeds and eggs for the worm, and we have a lot of things for making a bowl and making paper.
Oh, I see. That sounds really nice. So, David, what's your favorite kind of science? Do you like biology, chemistry, or physics?
Maybe all, but not physics.
Wow, I see. Yeah, I don't really like physics either. So,
It's very difficult. Maybe it's very ugly, we see. The numbers we need to calculate are ugly.
yeah, especially when there's so many steps that you have to do, it can get really ugly. Okay, thanks for sharing, David. Um, okay, why don't we move on to the next slide now?
Writing. Let's see. So there will be a question on the slide for you guys to answer. Please use at least 3 sentences when you're answering the question, right? And we'll like write on the slide what you guys say, and then we can correct you guys. So yeah, we can just answer right here. Let's see. Are we gonna go like every person on each question?
Maybe you can do like 2 or 3.
Okay. Let's see. Harry, can you answer this question? Have you ever participated in a Chinese New Year parade or a festival? If so, what was your favorite part? Harry?
What participated means?
Can you repeat that?
Maybe not.
It's just, have you ever participated in a Chinese New Year parade or festival?
Actually, I don't understand the first sentence.
Participated? Okay, wait. What part do you not understand?
Participated.
No, participated.
Something.
Okay, participated. 是参加的意思, and then Chinese New Year parade or festival is just like just celebrating like 春节. So like just describe if you've ever done that.
Yes, I have participated in Chinese New Year parade or festival. And my favorite part is setting fireworks.
Favorite part is what? Is the fireworks?
Yeah.
Okay. You still need like 2 more sentences, right? And then try to use an adverb or a proper noun. Harry,
Yeah.
can you say 2 more sentences and try to use 2 adverbs?
Wait, maybe he meant to put a period in between festival and my.
Oh, sorry. Let's see. Okay.
Mm, mm,
I still need 1 more sentence. Maybe you can explain why your favorite part is the fireworks.
because I think playing fireworks is interesting and funny, right?
Is interesting and funny.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. This is your sentence. I think overall it's good, right? Let me add a comment there. I have participated in Chinese New Year parade or festival. Because this part is kind of a noun, we would have to add a, right? And my favorite part is the fireworks. That this sentence is completely fine. Because I think playing fireworks is interesting and funny. You have to say playing with fireworks, right? And I would get rid of the because you can't start off a sentence with because unless you do like because like unless you do like a different type of sentence. But this part is right though. So yeah, good job. A plus plus. Let's see. Answer this question too.
Wait, Jeffy, you cut out. I couldn't hear who you called on. Wait, you cut out, Jeffy.
Bye, sorry. Vince, can you answer this question too? And be sure to use 2 adverbs and a proper noun.
Okay, I participated in the Chinese. I participated in the Chinese New Year parade or parade. My favorite part is the social fire performance. In this parade, many people walk on the road to so many programs.
Sorry.
This program, what?
Sorry, can you repeat that sentence? You said after performance, what'd you say?
In this parade, many people walk along on the road and to show many programs. I think the programs were so interesting.
Okay, good, perfect. Not sure if I parted that correctly, but you still have your 3 sentences here. Here, I think overall is very, like, you said that very well with a lot of, like, long words, I guess. Here, I think I would add they have participated to make it like, I don't know. And then let's see, my favorite part is firework performance. That's perfect. In this parade, many people walk along the road and show mini programs. You don't include the 2 here. But that's other than that, that's a good sentence. and I think the programs are interesting is perfect too. So good job. Yeah. We can move on.
Okay, this question is, how do you think Chinese New Year celebrations help to bring families and communities together? Okay, David, why don't you answer this one? So make sure to use 3 or more sentences and add a question in your response and 3 adjectives.
Oh no.
It's okay, you got it.
Okay, I see the question in the very small size of the slide.
Oh,
Mm,
that's okay. Just look at the big question.
I think
Jeffy, can you press that button?
the Chinese New Year. Oops. The Chinese New Year can let people let family members together to their own home together, yeah, and they can speak to each other face to face. Maybe they can be the way. No, they can be. They can change to. No, I say their own home and we. Yeah, and they can delete it. That makes our relationships stronger, and we can have a fun time together. That's the end.
Okay, let's read the sentence. The Chinese New Year can let family members together to their own home, and we can speak to each other face to face. That makes our relationship stronger, and we can have a fun time together. Okay. Yeah, maybe you want to add a word like the Chinese New Year can let family members together. I think you can say like let family members come together to their own home.
Okay. Then maybe I lost one sentence.
Oh yeah. Do you want to add another sentence or split up one of your sentences into 2 sentences?
That's why we so exciting to celebrate it.
That's why we so exciting to celebrate it.
Yeah.
Maybe maybe that's why we so exciting. You should say like that's why we are so excited. Because you should be writing in the past tense.
Right.
Okay, but other than that, that looks good. Okay, why don't we call on one more person to write sentences? Marin, do you think you can answer this question?
Okay. The Chinese New Year gives the reason that the families can get together. We have a happy Chinese New Year and have a delicious.
Wait. Marin, can you repeat that? Because I think something happened and I didn't hear what you said.
The Chinese New Year gives us a reason that the families can get together
Okay.
to have a happy Chinese New Year and have a delicious meal in harmony families.
And wait, and what families?
Harmony.
Harmony?
Yeah.
Okay. You need 3 sentences, so you want to split this up? Because you have quite a few sentences in here already.
Okay.
Or do you want to say 2 more sentences? It's up to you. You can do whatever. We can do Chinese New Year gives us a reason that the families can get together to have a happy Chinese New Year, have a delicious meal. Chinese New Year. We can do a period here.
Yeah.
A period here. They can have a delicious meal, and this part, harmony families, it doesn't really make sense. We have to change harmony into an adjective, and we can do that by changing it to like that, harmonious, and be. There you go. And then you can just say one more sentence, like what else do families do together during Chinese New Year?
And we watch the spring gala.
The spring what?
Gala.
Spell it out.
A spring gala.
Oh, gala. Sorry. Okay. Let's see. So you have your 3 adjectives: happy, delicious, harmonious. I don't think you should worry too much with the question. We watch the spring gala. We can also say we can watch the spring gala. So the Chinese New Year gives us a reason that the families can get together to have a happy Chinese New Year. That's perfect. They can have a delicious meal and be harmonious families. Be, I guess, a harmonious family. Because, yeah. And we can watch the spring gala. That's perfect. Good job. We can move on.
Wait, I think this is the same question.
Oh.
Move on again. Okay. This one is, can you think of any similarities or differences between Chinese New Year and any other holidays you're familiar with? So this can be Mid-Autumn Festival, Thanksgiving, or Mid-Autumn Festival, Christmas, or more. So, Vince, could you try answering this one in 3 or more sentences and use 3 nouns and 3 pronouns?
I think for example, Mid-Autumn Festival. On Mid-Autumn Festival, we often to watch the moose, but the Chinese New Year, we don't watch the moose. And the Mid-Autumn Festival is to wait.
Sorry, you said the Middle Autumn Festival, we all go to watch the what?
It was
Let's
like
go to watch the moon,
Oh, the moon.
and we often eat moon cakes on the middle of festival.
Okay.
This festival is to souvenir the Chang'e. It is to souvenir 纪念 or celebrate.
Wait, 纪念 I mean, like, remember? 纪念 Sorry. Oh, commemorate?
By the Chinese New Year, we often ate dumplings.
Wait, during the Chinese New Year?
Yes. And it was to keep the Nian far away from us.
Okay. What is this? Okay, 3 sentences, 3 nouns and pronouns. So you have your nouns, where you have festivals, moon, mooncake, that's already 3 nouns. Pronouns. See pronouns. You have I, that's 1. We, it, us. Okay, yeah. Let's see. I think the Mid-Autumn Festival, we all go to watch the moon and we often eat mooncakes during the Mid-Autumn Festival. I think, actually, the during there. And comma, we all go. Because you already have Mid-Autumn Festival here, it's easier just to replace all this. Did I cut out? Okay. It's easier to replace all that with just it. All right. This festival is to commemorate Chang'e. That's perfect. During the Chinese New Year, we often eat dumplings. It was to keep us. It was to keep the Nian far away from us. You can just say we often eat dumplings to keep the Nian far away from us. But yeah. Other than that, that's good. Okay. Let's stop picking another person.
Okay, right. Let's have Jenny. Jenny, why don't you answer this one?
In the Chinese New Year and Mid-Autumn Festival, we always have a special food. And we have many ways to celebrate them. Uh, they can take us many happiness.
They can take
Us many happiness.
money happiness like that.
Many.
Oh, many, sorry.
But we have mooncake in Mid-Autumn Festival and eat dumplings in Chinese New Year.
Okay.
Yes.
With the sentences. Three nouns. You have Chinese New Year as one noun. Mid-Autumn Festival. It's a noun. Food is a noun. Ways is a noun. Yeah, you have it. Mooncake is a noun. Dumpling. Three pronouns. We, they, us, we again. Yeah, you got it. If we read it, in the Chinese New Year and the Mid-Autumn Festival, we always have special food. That's perfect. We have many ways to celebrate. You can say we have many ways to celebrate. Like, you can add them. Oops. You can add them, or you can add like both festival, so something like that. They can take us many happiness. I'm not too sure what you mean by that. I think you mean give us, like that. They can give us many happiness. We don't really say many happiness. You can just say they can give us happiness, or they can both give us happiness. But we have mooncake in Midnight Festival and we eat dumpling in Chinese New Year. So yeah, good job. We can move on.
Okay, this question is, what was your favorite food that you ate during Chinese New Year and why? And you should use a comma and an exclamatory sentence. So an exclamatory sentence is just a sentence with an exclamation mark. Okay. Let's see. Damon, can you answer this question?
I like the dumpling best because best.
Dumpling best.
Best.
Oh, best. Sorry.
Oh my god. Comma. Because.
Oh wait, like. What am I doing? I like the dumpling.
It was delicious. It is delicious. And oops. It is delicious and I can't see the slide going on.
Yeah, I think Jeffy's lagging out. Let me see what he wrote though. Wait, I'll just continue for you. I think Jeffy is lagging. So give me a second, I can pull it up. Wait, Jeffy, are you back?
I think so.
Okay, wait, should I just share it? Because I think that's like the second time. Here, wait, I can just do it.
Low-key real. Yeah.
Okay, wait, David, can you continue?
Okay. Because it's delicious and meaningful.
Meaningful or
Yeah,
meaningful?
meaningful. And next sentence. It means money, good luck. Let me think. Together. And not going to not gonna not going to let your ears cold. Our dumplings, especially Chinese New Year ones, they especially Chinese New Year ones are made of I forget what word the of the sheep meat. What word is that?
Sheep meat?
Yeah.
I don't really know another word for sheep meat.
Okay.
Like
And
lamb meat.
Oh yeah, lamb? Do you mean lamb?
yes. And carrot. I really like to eat it.
Exclamation mark or no? Do you want to end it on an exclamation or no?
Yes.
Okay. Is that all?
It is the all.
Okay. Let's read through these sentences then. So it says, I like the dumpling best because it is delicious and meaningful. So in this type of sentence, you actually wouldn't need a comma. Because this is called a complex sentence. So this part is a sentence and this part is a sentence.
I think there need a comma, and the previous teacher typed it on, but where is it?
Oh, this sentence doesn't need a comma. So this sentence is called complex because it uses the word because. If you want to use a comma, you can write it like this. Because it is delicious and meaningful, comma, I like the dumpling best. So you can say, you can write the sentence like this, and then you would use a comma. Oops. And then you would use a comma. But if you want to write it like this, then it doesn't need a comma. So see how like it's like the same sentence, but like you put the phrases or you put the clauses in different areas. So if you write it like this, you need a comma, but if you write it like this, you don't need a comma. And that's just the rules. So does that make sense? So this is like the dependent clause. This by itself, it's not a sentence. So if you put the part that's not a sentence first, then you need a comma. But if you put this part that is not a sentence later, then you don't need a comma. It's like lagging, especially when M to 8ing. Oh,
Okay. Know it.
does that make more sense?
No.
Okay. Let's move on with the sentence then. So, it means money, good luck, together, and not going to let your ears cold. So, I think instead of together, because I think together is an adjective, but we're saying nouns right now. So, if you want to say two nouns, if all of these are nouns, then this word should be a noun too. So, you can say togetherness. So that's an easy fix. It means money, good luck, togetherness, and not going to let your ears cold. I think this part is worded a bit off. So I would say and not letting your ears get cold. Wait. What did you say earlier? Not going to let your ears cold. Yeah, I would say not or not getting your ears cold.
我从沙滩那块儿我操，我那他妈也没有跳。唉，我跟你去。不用。
Okay, yeah, I think you can say not getting your ears cold or not letting your ears get cold. So it's because going to, that's future tense. So like I'm going to go to the store. That means I'm gonna do it in the future. So you want to say not letting or not getting your ears cold because this should be in present tense. Okay, and our dumplings, especially Chinese New Year ones, are made of lamb and carrot. I really like to eat it. Okay, last thing. It is talking about the word dumplings. But since dumplings is plural, there's an S at the end, you need to make this word plural as well. So you can say, I really like to eat them. Because you said dumplings here, and there's like dumplings plural means that there's more than one dumpling. Okay. So does that make sense why this should be them instead of it, David?
Yes.
Okay. Great. Let's have one more person answer this question and then we can move on completely. Okay, what about Damon? I think you just joined.
Yes, sorry because I forgot the time.
Oh yeah, no problem. Do you think you can answer this question?
So use comma and exclamation. Okay. Your favorite food. Okay. So my favorite food in Chinese New Year is of course dumpling.
Yes.
Um. Just looking at what it's. Just looking at it makes makes my mouth water. Here's an exclamation mark. And then I bit and then I bit on the white flour. Is that called flour?
Or I think when it's like cooked or boiled.
It's boiled.
Yeah, wait, Jeffy, what do you call like the dough
Dumpling
part?
skins.
Oh, yeah, the
Oh.
skin.
Or you can use the wrapper. It doesn't really matter.
Here's a comma. Then the taste of the meat inside. Hold up to my got up to my I don't know how to describe it now.
Then the taste
Inside
Go.
my sometimes just a kind of little
Maybe it got inside your mouth when you're like biting it and then the taste gets into your mouth. Is that what you're
no
trying
the
to say?
taste. It's like the dumpling got in my mouth, but the smell the taste surprisingly it got into my brain somehow, but
Oh, you want to
it's a bit of it's a bit strange, but really this sometimes really happens to me.
yeah. You can say like head, like mind.
Yeah. Oh, yes, mine is better.
Yeah. Okay, is that all?
I still need another exclamation mark. So let me think.
Or you already have an exclamation mark, so it's fine.
Oh, I only need one? Okay. Then, I'm
Okay, that's all. So. Okay, let's read. My favorite food for Chinese New Year is, of course, dumpling. Okay, I think if you want to add of course to a sentence, it might be a bit complicated when you're actually writing it because like this is something that you might say normally in a conversation, but it might be like informal to write in a sentence. So when you say of course, you want to add like some dashes. I think that's one way you can say it. You can add of course. So that it's grammatically correct. So my favorite food for Chinese New Year is, of course, dumpling. Wait, Jeffy, that's right? Like you have to add dashes. Or you have to add something in between, of course. I think you can.
I think it's dashes or commas.
Yeah. Okay. So just looking at it makes my mouth water. And then I bit on the white dumpling skin. Then the taste of the meat inside got into my mind. Okay, so I would delete the and because you can't start a sentence with the word and. So you would just say then. Then it would make sense if you just began with then. You don't really say and then, you just say then. Then I bit on the white dumpling skin. Then the taste. You can add an and here because there's a comma. Because there's a comma here, this is an independent clause and this is an independent clause. So you need a comma and an and or a conjunction. That's what this is called. Then I bit on the white dumpling skin, and then the taste of the meat got inside my mind. Okay, the rest of this looks really good. Good job. Okay, let's move on to the game. I think we wrote enough. So the game that we're gonna play today is called Categories. So you're gonna get a random letter and then you must draw pictures of words that fit into each category and then we'll guess. So how about we can have one person draw like one thing in the column. Okay. So for example, the letter that you have is F. Someone drew this, everyone would guess like flower. And this is like fish. Okay, so let's play. So the letter is C. Okay. Harry, do you want to draw an item in the room that begins with the letter C? You can draw it in this box.
Okay.
And we'll try to guess what you drew.
Wait a minute.
Are you able to find the annotate
Yeah.
draw? Okay.
Let me think. Maybe. Maybe this is in the room. Maybe. Sometimes you can bring it when you travel.
Does anyone have any guess as to what this is? So it starts with the letter.
A carry, maybe.
Oh, a carry-on. Carry-on item?
I think it's carry both, but I don't know. Is it the word?
I think you're right. Because this word is case name.
Oh, it's a cane? Is that what you said?
Cage.
Oh, cage.
Cage.
Oh, I see.
Yes.
Oh, case. Okay. Nice job, Harry. Okay. Oh, sorry, were you saying something? Okay, if not, let's move on. David, I think you said you wanted to draw the animal.
Yes.
Yeah, so you can draw animal now.
Let me think. Oops. See. Again.
Any animal that begins with C.
Let me think.
If you can't think of an animal right now, we can move on to the next one.
Okay, I think.
Okay, go ahead and draw it then. Does anyone have any guesses as to what this animal is?
No. My computer drawing.
It's okay. So, does anyone think they know what this is?
A cat?
A cat.
Is that right, David?
Right.
Yay! That's great. So, okay, since we don't have too much time left, Jeffy, do you want to draw something for C? Should make it super easy.
Place. Oh, we can do colors on this? Oh my god, yes.
Okay, guys, what do you guys think this is? It starts with a C and it's a place.
Oh. Wait, how did we
China.
start?
Oh, someone got it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, Marin, you can do action. Marin. Oh, it's a person. I wonder what he's doing. Does anyone know what this is? Does anyone have a guess? I think this looks like a ball in the person's hand. Does anyone have any guesses? Marin, is it someone catching something? Is the action catch?
Yes, it is.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I saw like the ball in the person's hand and I thought it was catch. Okay. Well, here's your guys' homework for this week. So, you guys are all gonna have to answer this question next week. So make sure to be prepared for that. And that's the end of our class today. Thanks everyone for coming. I'll see you all next time. Bye.
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 Bye.